Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about calculating percentages. Now, I grew up with two math teachers as parents, so I've always had a good sense for numbers and kind of what they do, but this is the way that they taught me how to do percentages, and I think it's one of the easier ways that it can be taught. So first they taught me that percent, the word, can be broken down into per cent. And what this means is per means for each, and cent means 100. So essentially, when you're doing percentages, you think, oh, for each 100. So for example, if we were to do 5% of 100. Now this one's an easy one. We say 5 for each 100 that we have. So only one time. So the answer would be 5. Now if we had another example where it says 17% of 300. Now we would do 17 3 times. So 17 plus 17 plus 17, which equals 51. So that's kind of a couple examples, and then we have some other problems over here. So 8% of 400 is 8, 8, 8, and 8. And that equals 32. And then we have 12% of 500. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. 5, that's 60. Now this also works if you want to do a little bit harder ones. If there aren't always easy numbers like 400, 200, 500, it'll work. So if you wanted to do, we'll start off a little easier. We'll say 10% of 150. Now 150 would be 1 1/2 100ths. So we're going to take 10 1 1/2 times. So 10 plus half of 10, which is 5, which equals 15. Now, it also works with things like if you have quarters and stuff. So if we had 20% of, we'll say 325. So here we're going to have 20, 3 1/4 times. So it's going to be 20 plus 20 plus 20, and then 1/4 of 20, which is 5. So 20% of 325 is 65. So that's a way that I was taught how to do percentages. I think it's a very easy way, and it's a good thing that you can remember and just be able to spit easy percentages out very quickly.